Our story began when we first met Yannick Desplat, an oyster farmer in the Thau. The Thau Lagoon, located 30 kilometers southwest of Montpellier, is the largest pond in Occitanie. This natural resource is home to a broad ecological diversity, and it is at the origin of several craft activities such as oyster farming. The oyster production in Thau represents around 10% of the national production.
Since 2008, oyster farmers have had to tackle different mortality episodes in their cultures due to infections by different pathogens. Among them, the Oystrid herpes virus and Vibrio asterianus bacteria have been responsible for up to 80% of production loss, causing huge economical consequences. The oyster farmers do not have an easy solution to take pathogens and thus rely on specialized company, which can be expensive and time-consuming.
Back in the lab, we decided to develop an oyster farmer-friendly test to detect oyster pathogens. We worked hard to adapt a detection technique called Sherlock, developed by a team in the Broad Institute of MIT, to our purpose. Performing the test is doable using fluorescence output, but we pushed further our project by developing a paper-based test.
To perform the tests, we use paper strip and reaction that contains the enzyme Ca13, the sample, gold nanoparticle, and probes. If there is no pathogen, the gold nanoparticle attached to the control band, the probes are not cut, and we observe the control line. If there is pathogen in the sample, the cast is activated, the probes are cut, the biotin links to the control line, and the gold nanoparticle to the test line. Thus, we observe the test line.
Our detection technique will be useful for oyster farmers that want to test the ecosystem around their oyster bed.